Got it.
How's it going, bud?
It's all right. How many you need?
3.
Oh, come on, baby.
Go for it.
Thank you. Full effect or no?
Oh, hell yeah.
All right.
We don't play games today, bud.
Team on 3, fellas. Come here. Come here. Team. Talk it up. Communicate. Team on 3. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Throw these hands and say team. 1, 2, 3. Team. That's right. Nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left. Home. Home. Nothing on the left wire. Nothing on the left wire. 50, 50, 50 right. Kill one from the right. 50, 50. Center 50. Kill 2. Center 50, Aden. He's on me. Check his face. Flag. Get him out on his stomach. On his stomach, get the Dorito. 50, center 50. Snake 3, center 50. Snake 3, center 50. On his pack, John! On his pack in the snake! Left side of his pack! Get up! Kill 2! Kill 2! 50, 50, 50 on his butt! Kill 3, let's go, flag! Get out on your leg! Hey, left temple, left temple!
Left temple, my mirror, Aiden.
Left temple, he's on me, he's on me! Check him. It bounced, it bounced. It bounced on his pack, it bounced again. Flag. Thank you for checking. Did you run in? Thank you.
Yeah.
I just bounced it. I hit him like 3 times, I think. I was bouncing, I couldn't get it to break. Fifty, 50. 50, 50. On the pitch, on the pitch. Good. Get out on your chest! Kill one! From the middle! My mirror! My mirror! My mirror! My mirror! Snake 2!
Still snake 2!
On his side, he's dead. Kill 2. Kill 2! Good! Fifty, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Kill 1, kill 1! Kill 1 from my side, I think. Kill 1 from my side, I think. Kill 2. Kill 3. Flag. Make sure your hopper's on, Aden. You good? Good luck, buddy. Hard one on my side. Shoot left. It's a long 5. Maybe again? Odd game. D2, 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 D2. D2, 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 D2. On your arm! On his right, on his left arm! Left elbow on the bottom! 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 Clean? Clean?
Yeah. Yeah.
D1, what's on the... On his stomach. What was the team name?
Legacy Blue.
The first 2 games of the finals were goose eggs, and then the third game, Max with a 3-pack. Starting with my mirror on the D side, then to the 45 bunker to the center, and then the corner guy. I like your hat.
Head ball catcher today.
Had what?
Head ball catcher.
Did you dial on? I don't know, I'm just getting video of you guys. Man, this is the second time I've watched you win first.
I was just talking about that.
Good
Yeah,
job.
The other one,
Yeah.
yeah, mine too.
What's your team name? Former employees. Okay, I'll edit.
Thanks, guys.
Yep. Good playing, good playing.
I actually think it's part of my tooth now.
And then this is this second place? And in second place we have
Donald Pump.
Donald. He had to look at the name like, wait, what's my team name? Donald Pump. Good playing, bud.
Yeah.
And then what do you guys win?
What does second place win?
What does second place win?
They'll get loaders.
All right,
Third gets
here.
paint.
Do you want to do this?
Sure.
Yeah, just point that thing right at us, and it'll get us.
Hey, good job.
Good game, guys. That was the MVP of the event.
Appreciate it, guys.
Right there, no doubt. That was pretty hot. It's Aden's first tournament. What's our team name? Aden's Assassin. And I don't. Do we get prizes?
Yeah, you get paint. Just go downstairs. Get you all taken care
Do we
of.
get trophies?
I need to get your address. Send it to you.
He's getting it. His name.
Is it one?
Hey,
It'll be 3.
where's the judges? All right. It's a video, so I'm gonna just move in, and then I'm gonna take a picture out of one of them. Thank you, guys. Is it all right if I come over here and get video of you guys? What? Is it all right if I get video of you guys? All right. It's Team Legacy, 4th place. Great showing though. It was a good time. Lots of really good head-up play.
It was a lot of fun.
Good playing, bro.
Industry-wide problem, though. I don't need motors. Like, okay. Fuck, I know.
This ninja, hang on. I'm gonna get you on. I'm gonna do an interview with you real quick. You all right with that? Right here.
Sure.
So this ninja goes over to the, where'd you end up going? The snake?
Snake, yeah.
You ended up like every bunker on the field.
Yeah.
But you ran it in while how many people were still alive? And being shot at. 2 people alive in the game. And he has the field presence and awareness to pull the flag, get it clean, run it back right in front of the guy, not caring that he was shooting at you at all.
Yep.
And what's your name?
Dinson.
Say it again right here.
Dinson. D-I-N-S-O-N.
All right, I got it.
Thank you.